What's left to prove? What's won is won. Don't sleep too soon. Come fire or flood. What's left to lose? What's won is won. But it can always be undone. If the crown fits and the sword lifts, stay on guard, don't lay your weapons down. As the song lives and the world tilts, stay on guard, don't lay your weapons down. If the crown fits when the sword lifts, stay on guard, don't lay your weapons down. As the song lives and the world tilts, stay on guard, don't lay your weapons down. The rising moon, the setting sun. What's left to prove? What's won is won. Don't sleep too soon. Come fire or flood. What's left to lose? What's won is won. Oh, but it can always be undone.
I used to hear a simple song. That was until you came along.
Actually, hindi ito, hindi matagal. Kasi hindi naman ganito yung ganap dapat. Dapat lang to, ang gusto lang niya kasi simple. Ayaw niya ng may mga maraming tao. Ayaw niya ng naka-gown. Sabi niya, lang, resort. Tapos, cater lang, ganyan. Nung malapit na yung occasion, ayan, dyan na kami nag-prepare na may mga ganito, ganyan, may event. Kaya nadagdagan na nadagdagan. Si Althea, yan, matahimik lang siya. Palagi nasa loob ng bahay. Tapos tahimik siya, hindi siya palalabas ng bahay. Tapos kuwari pinapagalitan ko siya, hindi siya kumikibo, tahimik lang. Pero mabait siya.
With simple songs I wanted more. Perfection is so quick to bore. You are more beautiful by far. Our flaws are who we really are.
Si Thea ay mabait siya. Pero may yan, supladitang konti. Pero mabait at masunuri naman siya. Tahimik na bata.
Althea, yan ay isang batang napakabait. At nag-iisang anak ng anak ko yan eh. Kaya si Althea, kinatutuwa at sunod ang gusto niya sa kanyang dibo.
Palakpakan po natin Miss Athena Lerica Clemente.
Message ko sa'yo, anak, sana mag-aral kang mabuti. Hindi man tayo buo, pero nandito pa rin ako. 17 years kitang tinaguyod mag-isa. Pero alam ko naman na, alam mo yon, tsaka mahal na mahal kita. Palagi ako nandito, nakasuporta sa'yo. Kahit anong gusto mo, binibigay ko, binibigay ng mga tita mo, ng lola. Sana mag-aral kang mabuti. Yung boyfriend, isang tabi mo muna yan. Kasi Marami pang pagkakataon at maraming opportunity darating sa'yo.
The skyscrapers causing vertigo. The countdown begins in Tokyo. 27 days alone means 20 million ways to cope without you. I'm in a reckless fever, love-struck girl, I tease her, thought I'd never be her.
Althea po, makatapos ka anak sa pag-aaral, nang makamit mo yung pangarap mo, makamit mo yung pangarap mo sa buhay.
Have you in my world? Oh, what a curse it is to be a lover girl. Forced to get creative, wrote my feelings down. The independent lady in me's nowhere to be found. I can't wait another day to...
Nabati ko si Althea na happy birthday. Nabisi sa kanya, sana yung magpagulong niya, mabait ka niya. Tapos pagbuti niya pag-aaral niya, huwag mo na mag-boyfriend. At sana masunod sa nanay niya.
Be her, quite the job you've done on me, sir. You've been hosting parties. In my mind, I'm working overtime.
Happy birthday, Thea. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo, sana ang pangako nating makatapos ka ng pag-aaral bago mag-asawa at saka mag-boyfriend. Pag nakatapos ka ng pag-aaral, kahit ano nang gusto mong gawin, mag-boyfriend ka, mag-asawa ka, okay lang yan. Basta makatapos ka ng pag-aaral ang pinaka-importante. At best wishes sa pagiging 18 mo, pero hindi porket 18, pwede na mag-boyfriend, bawal. Kailangan, bago ka mag-decision pa rin sa buhay mo, itatanong mo pa rin sa mama mo at sa amin. Yun lang, happy birthday.
Girl, I tease her, thought I'd never be her. Quite the job you've done on me, sir. You've been hosting parties in my mind.
Happy birthday, anak. Mahal na mahal kita.
Become my whole world. Oh, what a curse it is to be a lover girl.